Good morning, respected principal and vice principals of teachers and dear friends. I, Janvi Answer, class 9, have been nominated as the captain for Greenhouse. First of all, I would like to thank all those who believed in me and gave me this opportunity. Green is not just a color, it represents growth, harmony, and energy. And as a captain, I promise to uphold these values with full dedication. I think leadership is not just about wearing a badge or giving orders. It's about listening, understanding, supporting, and standing by your team. If I am chosen, I will make sure that every voice is heard, every talent is noticed, and every effort is appreciated. Whether it's in sports, academics, or co-curricular activities, I will make sure that Greenhouse always stands tall. I believe a good captain is not someone who gives orders, but someone who listens and supports and works with their team. I will always be kind, fair, and helpful to all. At last, I would like to say that I will not be perfect, but I promise to give my 100% every day. So, my dear friends, if you want a captain who works with you, understands you, supports you, listens you, then I humbly request you to vote for me, Janvi Namse, as a Greenhouse captain. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable President. My name is Siddhi and I am standing before you today with a great pride and humility as a candidate for Greenhouse captain. I am honored to have this opportunity to lead our Greenhouse and work with all of you in coming days. As house captain, my goal will be is to foster a sense of unity and teamwork. I believe that every student has different kind of strength and talent in them that can contribute to our collective success. I ask for your vote and support. Kindly vote for me and I promise you to that we'll work as a team and make our house proud and shine, and together let's strive for excellence for academic, sports and extracurricular activities. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, vice principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Devanshi Kirkar from Greenhouse, and I am truly honored and excited to stand before you as a candidate for house captain. Our house is not just a team; it's a family, and I am ready to lead this family with courage, honesty, and enthusiasm. Being a house captain is not just about giving orders, but it is also about listening, supporting, and standing beside each one of you, whether it's on the field, on the stage, or in the classroom. I will be there supporting you. Whether it's on the field, on the stage, or the classroom. Please, I request for your vote. Support me. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, vice principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Parth Kagade of class 9 and I am standing for the Greenhouse captain. I am honored to be chosen as the Greenhouse captain. Green stands for strength, unity, and dignity. And this year to become the best house in taking the first rank in the school and giving my best to my house who are interested in other activities like sports and other music and other. I will go from the ma'am and sir who are interested and give one chance for to doing this activity and vote for me. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Arjun Verma. I want to become a Greenhouse captain because I like to help others working as a team. That's why I take this opportunity to lead. If I choose it, I will lead honest, respect, confidence, and encourage each one of you. Please give me your support. Together, let's Greenhouse is best. Thank you.